Hello! Welcome to an unboxing. First impressions. Actually, it's none of that. It is sort of... Actually, no, it is sort of that. Hello, I am Aziza, Gourmet Pens. I've had a lot of caffeine. Yeah, okay, let's get going. This is a video of an item that I picked up in Scriptus. It's not mine, it's actually, it belongs to a friend, but he lent it to me so I could share it with you because I love it, but I couldn't decide between this, and I couldn't afford both at the time. So I got this one and I borrowed this one from him. What is this? This is the Yenderings London PM03 Opera Night Covent Garden wrap. Holy, that's a mouthful. So the model is the model is the London, and the colorway is the PM03, and the colorway name is Opera Night Covent Garden. Now, let me tell you a bit about it. First of all, it is $142. This is handmade, and if you use Gourmet 10, you get 10% off your purchase. It's not a commission thing, it's just a referral, but also because Yen is amazing, and she has made that possible for you guys. It is super cuddly. Oh God, I just love this thing so much. It's not even full and I just like fondle it. So let me describe it. The external shell is black chenille fabric for those of you who make a mess with your stuff. And next up we have the black linen trim. So wait, let me just, external did I write that right? Oh no, sorry, trim is black linen, yes, which is like in here, like the trim bits. But because they're both black, it just kind of blends. These are linen. You have a plum ultrasuede lining. Look at this incredible crisscross work. Oh, I love it. The inside is, let me make sure I get that name right. The accent fabric is the jacquard band. So let me show you. It's like a fuchsia. Amazing. And the highlight, okay, seriously, the most amazing thing about this is that the feature fabric is called orange raw silk, and you can see why. It is because it is radiantly orange. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, what exactly is this? This is like a everything wrap. I posted my other one, like the camel colored one, and I showed you how I use it for pen pal lettering and stuff like that. Like, this is amazing. So basically you open it up, you have a pocket for miscellaneous items, whatever you want to put in there. Lip balm, eyeliner, food, cashews, whatever. You have a zippered pocket here. So you could put a notebook in here. For example, I have an A5 Slim. So you could put that in here if you want it open. But if you want something smaller that you can close, you can do that. This here is also a pocket. Put something flat in there because you can stick your notebook in this spot. So let me see. I've got a Leuchtturm A5, and what you can do is just slide that into place. Let me just slide it into place and show you. Sorry, it's really creepy. Ready? There you go. This would be easier if I was pointing the camera down, but this is the way it is. That's just the way we're gonna be. And the inside has multiple spots for pens. And the nice thing is, if you are a pencil person, your black wings will fit in here. I'm saying black wings because those are the pencils I use, but like pencils fit. It's very padded, it's very secure, and the suede, like it's so soft on your pens. Now this holds pretty large pens, so you can fit like King of Pens, 149s, and obviously anything smaller than that. But it'll also hold things like the Namiki Yukari Royale, which is pretty large. And so like Namiki Yukari Royale, just to give you an example. There you go. Now what might you want to use this for? I mean, you could do what I do with the camel one, where it's like a pen pal setup thing. So I'm just fixing this. This is fantastic for pen meets and pen shows because you could take everything. First of all, it's really secure. So you've got a secure thing for all your stuff. You have the zippered pouch here. So you could put like ink samples, business cards, whatever. This, you could put business cards, like pencils. You got another pouch here. There's just so much space. You put a notebook in there for testing pens. And You got all this spot for pens you bring or pens you intend to purchase. So you got a lot of stuff to work with. So, what do you think? Isn't this beautiful? This is Handmade by Yen of Yenderings. So she picks these fabrics, she creates a story so that the wrap, every wrap has history, like has a history for the fabric, but also like a story behind it. So it's really well thought out. She's really putting a lot of heart and soul into this. So I think it's beautiful. Now the silk, this raw orange silk is killer, just exquisite. And honestly, like I think $142 is not that bad considering how much work she puts into this, and like it's handmade, everything is really well done. I just love them. So this one isn't mine, but like I guess I have to return it at some point, maybe. If you're watching this video, don't worry, it'll come back to you. So I think beautiful color scheme, beautiful contrast, but most importantly, just super secure for your pen. So like I put expensive pens in mine, like my Rodin pens, the Mach-E ones, because they're safe, they don't fall out. It's very secure and I trust that they're gonna be okay. And it's not super bulky, like I like it, so it pads them, but it's not like, oh my God, I'm carrying around a briefcase. And then last but not least, it makes a fantastic pillow. So your cats are gonna like this. They're gonna nest on it. So there you go. Beautiful sharing with you. I will include links below so you could check out Yenderings. You could check out this particular wrap and I'll include my discount code if you wanna use it. If you do, just let me know. Tell me what you've ordered just because I'm curious. Like I would love to know how you feel about your Yenderings wrap and what appeals to you and stuff like that. So keep me apprised of any changes in the situations. And that's everything. So Yen at Yenderings. Keep up the great work. I think you're doing something super fun for the pen community because the more options, the merrier, like the more fun it is. Beautiful gift idea for someone else, but also for yourself. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. You can find me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Patreon as Gourmet Pens. We will see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, wait. Yeah, if you want to see more of this kind of stuff, like I'll post pictures on Instagram, like as I use them. So this is just like an unboxing, first impressions, like give you a preview, but like actual in-use pictures will be on Instagram and you can check me out there to see it in action. Okay, bye!